Hey, this is Lyle Alexander, and look what I got. I received my latest order from LiveGood, and up at the top you have your multivitamin, the D3, the K2, and the Ultra Magnesium Complex, your daily essentials. Also, I got the Super Reds, the Aminos, the Super Greens, the energy drink, and the protein shake, all from LiveGood. LiveGood is a breath of fresh air in network marketing. No more Autoships, no more volume requirements. We're a membership-based company, therefore there's no Autoships, no volume requirements. You order whenever you want, what you want, whenever you want, with no forced orders, and an incredible compensation plan that you've got to see. Just take the free tour at winwithlyle.com. Click the link in the description below, in the comments, in the description, in the more area, and come along with us right now. You're going to love this. This is great. Let's go. See you on the inside.